Yo, okay, I'm quite happy with the sound quality. I sound a bit like a muppet, and I am getting my ass kicked. But I'll tell you what, I will just post up the videos. I ain't posting up like my best ones. I'm not editing shit. It's just whatever records, whatever it is. Could be last place, could be first place. So whatever. Again, little blight test. I love this cabin, as I've said before. Put some breakers on it because I just can't get on with flames. Yeah, let's see. So I'm going to play some shotty good. I'm going to try and stay to the shadows. Oh gosh, that's a good start, isn't it? I wonder where people are going to join us. I've got a couple of players. Maybe it's fun to move to around here. There we go. There's always one. There we go. Stop moving, you shit. Knock it. God's sake. Oh, what is that into for? Oh my god, just do that. I want to blow you up. 3, 2, 1.